Yes, so we're gonna brown stew some grouper head. So I wash it off with some lime.
Well, we're cooking outside.
Alright, so I already washed the fish, so it's time to get them seasoned. I'm gonna put some fish season on them. That has enough salt. Then this is some all-purpose. I put some brown. So getting some olive oil in the pot right now. Could actually use butter. Actually, I'm using olive oil. Use mass.
They're washed.
This is cut all in my side, like 4 sides.
Where did you find it?
I'm doing brown stew fish
Fish.
vegetables.
Hey, why would he finish mine? You see my cutting skills?
Huh? Come just get them cut.
But Yaya doesn't like swimming in the pool a lot. It cares about her hair more. My vegetables that I cut up are going in. Wow!
Isn't that pretty?
Just as it looks, you guys. Wow.
This is how it looks. Everybody eat vegetables. That's actually nonsense, girl. You don't eat them. Bad for you. But people eat all these veggies.
That's how you do it. Yeah, man.
Yes, guys, so we done run with both, and this is the brown stew fish. So we cook right in our backyard. Yes, so it's time for eating. Boy, man, actually it tastes good. Wow, this tastes good. Me not tell no lie. Thank you guys for watching. Wish you could enjoy this with us. Yes, it is grouper. Oh my goodness.